With the garage ready for the new operator installation, we will need to secure the T-rail assembly to the operator head and then install and adjust the belt assembly, all prior to our installation. At the trolley assembly, tighten the belt assembly. It should be taut but not overly tight. Once installed, we can mount the front of the operator to the header bracket. Making sure the operator is still centered on the door and about 2 inches above the highest section, we can now look to secure the back of the operator with the rear operator supports. The photo eye should be mounted 6 inches off the ground. These attach right to the vertical track. We will then run the wires back to the operator head and staple them to the walls and ceiling along the way. With all the wiring done and at the rear of the operator, you can cut the wire to the appropriate length, strip the ends to expose the wire core, and insert the wires into the corresponding terminals. Set the manual release cord. This should be reachable by the homeowner with the door in the down position. Next, we will secure the operator to the door. All operators come with a mounting bracket that can be installed on any door. For this installation, we have used an operator reinforcement bracket that is installed between the two center hinges. This universal bracket will hold the J-bar securely to the door. The J-bar connects the trolley of the operator to the door, or in our case, the operator reinforcement bracket. The J-bars are adjustable and can be fitted to length by using the appropriate holes and bolted together. With the operator now connected to the door, we can set the travel adjustments for the open and closed travel links. The door should come down to the floor, but not so tight that it bends the T-rail or places too much stress on the front mount.